Hello everybody, I had a chance to visit SS Airsoft and I had an utterly amazing time. They've got their 12-year anniversary coming up and I can't wait to show up and just have a blast with all of the people that are going to come in and experience it. SS is a first-class place. You walk in, the owner's there behind the counter. Steve and Dennis together are there. They are custom building high kappas. They are putting first-class inventory out in front so that you can come in and find that perfect accessory to help express who you are as a player. You can help run competitively and have some style and fashion to go with it. So I went in, they helped me custom pick out a few pieces. They helped me build a gun that I think is going to give me just that little bit of edge. You're going to have to come out and see how well the captain really does play with his new gear. So I spent quite a bit of time with an extremely knowledgeable staff. They have supplies for all types of play style. It doesn't matter whether or not you want to run a rifle, run a pistol. They've got accessories for almost everything. You name it, chances are they have it. You go back into the staging area, and one of the very first things that you notice is how clean and well organized this place is. They spend an immense amount of time all week cleaning and detailing it so you can come in and be safe. The first thing you find is the staging area. You come in, get your rental gear, get all set up. They teach you how to use it, and then you walk right back in and find a place to make yourself a home for the rest of the afternoon. They've got all kinds of fun decorations and designs, morale patches hanging on the walls, as well as take a look at the theme and the detail that they paid. They've spent months designing and detailing a field that is absolutely first class. So if you want to come in and have a great time, this is the place to do it. You get into gameplay, and let me tell you, there's always a ref there to help get you set up, answer any questions, explain the game modes, and make sure that you don't have any questions. So when you walk out on that field, you're ready to hit the ground running and just rip and roll.
I hope I'm recording.
Yeah, you are. You are this time.
This time, good.
Yep. I'm not yet. I normally don't press it until you walk in.
What?
Are you doing YouTube or?
Yeah. What's your name?
Aiden.
Aiden? Aiden, it's nice to meet you. You can find this on YouTube under Captain.
Under Captain?
Under Captain?
Captain.
Yeah, YouTube channel is Captain. Yes! We gotta go to the far side.
So we respawn if we get hit?
Right. Behind you, Nick. Dude, let's go.
Reload and get in the tent. Reload and get in the tent. It's so hard. Matt.
All right, Ethan, what do you think of that low light game? Did you have fun?
It was a lot of fun.
Did you get shot?
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
No.
There you go. Are you going to play again?
Heck yeah.
There we go.